This tutorial is a continuation of Berger's equation numerical implementation. So what ended up happening that when we ran the code, we saw that the code was still not giving acceptable results and diffusion is happening all over. And partly it's because there are so many negative concentrations appearing. And what we want to do is make sure that we don't have negative concentrations. So every time we calculate a new concentration, we want to make sure after this line is that it's not negative. So we say if Cij is less than 0, then just assume that it's equal to 0. Just change it to 0. And this will ensure that we don't get negative concentration. So now we run it again, and most likely we will get acceptable results. You can see here is where our source is. We have some diffusion happening, some transport happening, and then the transport is following the velocity field in this domain. And after 2 seconds, looks like the source went away, but the diffusion and transport are still happening. And this code is probably supposed to run until 5 seconds. And this is what, so this is about 7 meters distance, and based on our realistic values of these velocities, this is what happens within the first 5 seconds after that pollutant is released. So this concludes the tutorial. What you should try to do is test different values of the pollute and different locations, and also I will give you some more velocity fields in the manual, and try those different velocity fields as well.